very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce the members of the group. Johnny, this is Eddie. Eddie, this is Johnny. The wonderful female vocals we have this evening, ladies and gentlemen. This wonderful EAS band, ain't they greatest? These two lovely ladies, Cheryl and Darcy, give it up. Man, one of the smoothest guitar players you're gonna find anywhere. Make that baby sing for us every night. Let's give it up for Tommy on the lead guitar. Our fearless leader, ladies and gentlemen, ready to go to battle anytime. The leader of this wonderful band, ladies and gentlemen, and a very good friend of mine, Mr. John Crenshaw. On a wonderful bass guitar. This is a 5-string bass guitar. You ever seen that? Next night we're going to have a 6-string. You have it? Have you got an 8-string bass guitar? No, don't make that. Consider it, give it up for Eddie Stevens. On the piano, ladies and gentlemen, the fastest fingers in the West, or the East, or the North, or the South. A good friend of mine comes from Nashville. Give it up for Al on the piano, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Al. We have a wonderful horn section band here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. On the trombone is Bill. On the trumpet and flugelhorn, we have Len. And Mike on the saxophone, ladies and gentlemen. Tell us that. I'd like to say one thing to y'all, you know. Just wanted to thank you for I just want to thank you for the past 7 years. I promised myself. I said, stand your foot, put your hand on your hip, pop your finger and do it, honey. And it didn't happen. No, I just want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for the past 7 years. I've come to Memphis. I'm going to be coming back to Memphis in the following years, but only as a fan. Because my days of doing, I'll keep doing Elvis, but not in Memphis. It's a sacred place for me, and I've come to realize that I want the spotlight to be back on Elvis Presley. Because don't forget that that's what we're all here for. So, thank you all for your support. Hey, so are you, baby. You're just the best too. Yeehaw! You must be from Texas. That's okay. North Carolina, well. So thank you all. And I want to do this one song, especially for the King of Rock and Roll, and for all y'all. All y'all. See, I learned something, huh? I learned something down here. Listen, I'm Lloyd. Lloyd? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for Carrie and Kenzie. 2 girls. I'm very sorry for this production. This is Carrie, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kenzie. You thought I had quick changes. You should have seen them. And they had to help me. Thank you, girls. You're wonderful. Did a wonderful job in the spur of the moment. In the last minute, they put the things together. I like to do Oh, thank God not for. Look away, look away, look away. I was born early morning, one frosty morning. Look away, look away, look away, it's your head. Glory, glory, little baby, don't you cry. You know that I'm gonna die. All my trials over. Thank you, Mr. Elvis Presley, the one and only king of rock and roll! Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.